Hi guys, here 5 plus 30 is 35 divided by 5 times 3 minus 4. Here 35 divided by 5 is 7 times 5 minus 4. Here 7 times 3 is 21 minus 4. Here 21 minus 4 is 17 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 17 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority than other operation. This is exponent. This M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operation PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. Here, exponent also not there in the problem. Next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. Here, division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So, we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 30 divided by 5. So we have to do this 30 divided by 5 before any other operation. Here 5 plus 30 divided by 5 is 6 times this 3 minus 4. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 5 plus 6 times 3 is 18 minus 4. Here addition and subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to use this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. So 5 plus 18 is 23 minus 4. Here 23 minus 4 is 19 is the correct answer.